Hello everyone, I am Dr. Megha Chaturvedi and welcome back to my channel. And if you are suffering from psoriasis, you already know how sensitive your skin can be and how hot weather can make things to such much harder for you. In today's video, I am diving deep into how sweating and heat affect psoriasis, and I'll be share the most important do's and don'ts to keep your skin calm and your symptoms under control even during the hottest days. We will explore both Ayurvedic wisdom and modern sciences so you understand why these steps matter and how to take care of your skin the right way. So let us get started. When we sweat, it's the body's natural way of cooling down, but for someone with psoriasis, sweat trapped on the skin can lead to irritation, itching and even flare-ups. From a medical perspective, sweat contains salts and toxins, and when they are left on the skin too long, they can disrupt the already compromised skin barrier. In Ayurveda, we consider psoriasis a result of imbalances in the Pitta and Vata dosh. Hot weather aggravates Pitta, the fire element, which can lead to increased inflammation in the skin. So it becomes extremely important to manage heat both externally and internally. Now I'll share what you should do and what not to do to avoid further damage during the hot weather. Number 1 is to wear loose, breathable cotton clothes. Wearing loose, breathable cotton clothes is essential for maintaining healthy skin, especially if you have conditions like psoriasis or eczema. Tight or synthetic fabrics can trap sweat and create friction, leading to increased irritation, redness and flare-ups. In contrast, natural cotton fabric allow your skin to breathe, keeping it cool and dry. These simple clothing choices help prevent rashes, discomfort and aggravation of sensitive or inflamed skin areas. Number 2 is stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is one of the simplest yet more effective way to cure your skin. Drinking 8 to 10 glasses of water daily helps regulate your body temperature and keeps your skin naturally moisturized from within. Proper hydration flushes out toxins, reduces dryness and supports overall skin health. Especially during hot weather or flare-ups, water acts as a natural healer by maintaining skin elasticity and preventing irritation or inflammation. Number 3 is use natural cooling body washes. Use natural cooling body washes to soothe and protect sensitive or inflamed skin. So opt for products containing ingredients like neem, aloe vera or sandalwood herbs known for their antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and calming properties. I recommend using C Ayurveda's product because these natural products help cleanse the skin gently without stripping away essential moisture. Avoid harsh chemical based soaps as they can worsen irritation. Instead, herbal washes provide relief, reduces itching and promote skin healing in a gentle Ayurvedic way. Number 4 is shower after sweating. Showering after sweating is essential to prevent skin irritation. Whether you have exercised or spent time in the sun, gently rinsing off sweat helps keep your skin clean and calm. Letting sweat sit for too long can clog pores, causes itching and trigger rashes, especially if you have sensitive or inflamed skin. Use normal water and a mild herbal cleanser to refresh your skin and avoid post-sweat discomfort or flare-ups. Number 5 is apply Ayurvedic cooling oils at night. Applying Ayurvedic cooling oils at night is a powerful way to heal and soothe your skin. Oils like pure coconut oil or specially formulated options such as C Ayurveda Surya oil infused with herbs help reduces inflammation and nourish dry patches and cool the body naturally. Overnight application allows deeper absorption, promoting skin repair while you sleep. The simple nighttime ritual can significantly improve skin texture, reduces flare-up and support long-term skin health. Now I'll share some don'ts that you must add to your routine to avoid flare-ups of psoriasis in the summer season. Number 1 is to avoid using strong deodorants or perfume products as they often contain alcohol and harsh chemicals that irritate or dry out psoriasis prone skin. These ingredients can trigger flare-ups and worsen sensitivity. Instead, opt for natural or unscented deodorant that are gentle on the skin. Look for options like soothing, skin-friendly ingredients like aloe vera or coconut oil, which help maintain moisture and prevent irritation, keeping your skin calm and balanced. Number 2 is don't rub or wipe sweat aggressively. Avoid rubbing or aggressively wiping sweat from your skin as this can damage the skin barrier and irritate existing psoriasis plaques. Instead, Gently pat your skin dry with a soft towel, and this method helps prevent friction, minimizes inflammation and protect your skin from further irritation. By being gentle, you support your skin's natural healing process, keeping it calm and preventing flare-ups or additional discomfort. Number 3 is avoid tight clothing and synthetic fabrics. Avoid tight clothing and synthetic fabrics as they create friction and trap body heat, both primarily triggers for psoriasis flare-up. When heat and friction combine, they can irritate sensitive skin and worsen conditions like psoriasis or eczema. Loose, breathable clothing made from natural fabrics like cotton helps your skin stay cool, dry and comfortable. Prioritizing comfort over fashion can go a long way in managing and preventing skin irritation. Number 4 is do not ignore sweat rashes or red patches. This could be early sign of a flare-up. If you notice new areas of redness or itching, act quickly. Gently cool the area with water or a cold compress. Apply a natural anti-inflammatory oil like coconut oil or soya oil and monitor it closely. If the irritation persists, consult your doctor. Early action can prevent a minor rash from turning into a full-blown psoriasis flare. Psoriasis doesn't take a summer vacation, and neither should your skincare routine. By following these simple do's and don'ts, you can keep your skin calm, hydrated and flare-free even during the hottest days. Remember, Ayurveda teaches us to work with our body, not against it. Listen to your skin, stay cool inside out and give your body the support it needs. And that is all for today's video. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. And if you or someone you know are suffering from psoriasis or eczema, then you can contact us at the number mentioned in the video. Till then, take care, stay cool and stay glowing.